The process of forming an LLC is different in every state, and the costs are different as well. In this video, we will give you a general overview of the fees you will need to pay when you start an LLC, as well as those you need to pay to maintain it over time. We will also address fees that you do not have to pay to form an LLC, so make sure to watch to the end to save some money. Forming an LLC requires you to pay a one-time state filing fee, in addition to ongoing annual maintenance fees. First, let's take a look at one-time filing fees. The main cost when forming an LLC is typically the fee of filing your articles of organization with the state. This one-time payment ranges between $40 and $500 depending on your state. Visit our site to determine the exact filing costs for your particular state. Several states, Arizona, Nebraska, and New York, also require your newly incorporated LLC to publish a statement of formation in a local newspaper. These publishing costs can be anywhere from $40 to $2,000 depending on your state's specific requirements. Visit our site for strategies to publish in your state as cheaply as possible. In addition to the initial formation fees, there are regular maintenance fees that you will need to pay to keep your LLC in good standing. Let's take a look at these now. Annual Biennial Report. Most states require LLCs to submit a fee along with an annual or biennial report, which includes updating the name and address of the LLC. The report fee varies state by state, but in most cases is less than $50 per year. Some states levy a yearly tax on LLCs, often called a franchise tax. This is most often a flat tax, but can also vary accordingly to your LLC's annual earnings in certain states. For instance, California LLCs must pay a yearly $800 franchise tax if they make less than $250,000, and more if they earn more than $250,000. To calculate the specific costs of maintaining an LLC in your state, visit our website. For an additional cost of $50 to $150, you can use a professional formation service to create your LLC. This can save you both time and the headache of filling out legal paperwork. Various service providers have different packages which generally charge for LLC formation, registered agent service, creating your LLC's operating agreement, obtaining an employer identification number, EIN, from the IRS, researching which business licenses your LLC will need. You may not want all of these services, so shop around for different providers and packages. You can also visit our site for reviews of the top 5 formation services. The value of a hired professional service goes beyond the convenience, however. Using a service for your registered agent means that they are the first point of contact for all inquiries, allowing for an enhanced level of personal privacy. Of course, you should be mindful of certain aspects of LLC formation that are either free or unnecessary. If you are looking to save money, you can avoid the following. Research your LLC's name. A service may offer this, but you can perform a name search for free on your state's website. LLC Kit and Seal. These types of fancy documentation are a vanity product and unnecessary from a legal standpoint. EIN. If forming an LLC on your own, you can get your employer identification number for free from the IRS. Visit our site, howtostartanllc.com, to get all of the specific details regarding the costs of setting up an LLC in your state. Not only do we gather all of the essential information in one place, we also offer other free resources and tools for getting your business up and running. Check out the links in the description below, and please give us a like and subscribe if you appreciate our content. We are dedicated to providing the most useful information for small business owners and would love to see your feedback in the comments on what other information you need to help follow your entrepreneurial dreams.